Welcome to WildBlue in this beautiful new listing located at 19252 Aqua Shore Drive. I'm Dawn Bray, luxury real estate advisor with Premier Plus Realty. This home would be perfect for your family. Come along with me for a tour and find out why. As soon as you enter this Pulte Summerwood loft home with nearly 3,300 square feet of living space, you'll be impressed with the spacious open floor plan combining the kitchen, dining area, extended great room, and additional cafe space. This lovely kitchen is equipped with a natural gas stove, a walk-in pantry, and an oversized island, making it the perfect space for entertaining. The owner's suite is quite spacious and includes your own private bath with an oversized shower, dual sinks, and a large walk-in closet. There is plenty of room for family and friends in this fabulous home, which features 4 bedrooms and 3 baths downstairs and a huge loft area with an additional bedroom and bath upstairs. The view from your lanai is quite impressive, with a gorgeous water and preserve view along with the most stunning daily sunsets. WildBlue is the most unique community in Southwest Florida, spanning over 3,000 acres of preserved land and freshwater lakes and offering true 5-star resort-style amenities. Once again, I'm Dawn Bray, and I love living here in WildBlue. I would welcome the opportunity to show you this beautiful home and also to give you a tour of this amazing community. Take a closer look at my website, ilovewildblue.com, or give me a call at 239-297-4020.